Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
Yes, you can carry shampoo in your checked luggage without the same strict limitations as carry-on bags. For checked baggage, there's no limit to liquid quantity you can pack. Unlike the 3-1-1 liquid rule for carry-ons, 3.4 ounces or less per container, in 1 quart-sized, clear, zip-top bag, 1 bag per passenger. Nevertheless, it's still wise to seal liquids well to prevent leaks, using plastic wrap under the cap or placing bottles in sealed bags. Also, consider the airline's weight restrictions for checked luggage to avoid extra fees.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.